Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking fresh pineapple on a frying pan. So here's fresh pineapple. I already sliced it before making the video. If you need help on learning how to cut a pineapple, I have a video for that. Just see the link in the description of this video for how to cut a pineapple. I'm also going to use some oil for pan frying. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. You could also use butter. It's totally up to you. And for the seasonings, I'll use honey and cinnamon, or you can skip the seasoning because pineapple is naturally sweet. Totally up to you. So now let's cook it. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my frying pan. And now I'm going to turn on the heat to high and add the pineapple. So now I will wait for the oil to heat up. So when you hear the oil sizzling, then you know that it's already starting to cook, and we're going to reduce the heat to medium-high at that point. Now it's been about a minute or two, so the oil is sizzling. So now I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and also mix the pineapple so it cooks evenly. So now I will just continue mixing about every minute. And just keep an eye on them, so when you see that they're looking grilled and caramelized and cooked, so you'll know when to stop. So just mix every minute and continue cooking. So now they've been cooking for about 3 minutes. So you see, if you flip it, they're starting to brown on the bottom. So just make sure you keep mixing so they brown evenly. And continue cooking. If you think that they're burning, you can always reduce the heat to medium or medium-low. Just keep a close eye on them so they don't burn. Okay, now I'm going to mix them again. So they're starting to get nicely brown. And now I'm going to reduce the heat to medium, just so they don't start burning. And let's continue cooking. So now the pineapple has been cooking for about 14 minutes, and it's done. It's evenly brown and soft and so nicely caramelized. It looks amazing. So now, if you're gonna season it, this is the time. I'm just gonna season it at the end. Just squeeze some honey and sprinkle with cinnamon. And I'm gonna mix it, coat it with honey and cinnamon evenly. Perfect. It smells so good. So now the pineapple is ready. So from start to finish, it cooked for about 15 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat. And now let's transfer pineapple to a plate. Perfect. This is so good. You can eat it as a healthy dessert or use it as a topping for ice cream. Totally up to you. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It's so soft, pierces easily with a fork. Delicious. It tastes as good as it looks. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!